Today I'm going to show you how to set up the MyQ app for your new Chamberlain video Wi-Fi garage door opener. Now first of all, you're going to want to download the MyQ app and set up an account. Once you do that, you can set up your devices. So I already have a single garage door that I had set up previously. Now this is for our double garage door. So I'm going to show you how I can set this up. So I'm going to go up to the gear icon and I'm going to click devices. At that point, I'm going to click on add a new device, and then I have things to choose from. In this case, it's a Wi-Fi garage door opener. And it's an opener with camera. So I'm going to tap on that. This is just telling you the things that you're going to need. You know, you're going to need your password and all this. You're going to have the Bluetooth turned on and all that stuff. So just check all the boxes, say I'm ready. Then you choose what your door or your wall control looks like. In my case, in the opener that I just installed, it's like the one in the upper right hand corner, because apparently the setup is different depending on which one you have. So mine is the upper right. And now I need to go up and press the learn button. And the garage door opener beeped. Then I'm going to click next. And it says you should have heard a beep, and we did. So next. Now, this is the part that's a little bit confusing. I don't know which of these two things to select. So we're just going to select the first one on the list and see what happens. Now it's going to take a little bit of time to connect to the device. And it says Bluetooth is connected, try again. Okay, so we'll try again. So now this time, just this one shows up. So I'm going to tap on that. This is all just a little bit confusing. That's why I wanted to go through it and show you. I don't exactly know how it works for sure, but these are the steps that I've had to go through to do this. So it's asking for a pairing request. So I hit pair. Now I have to go over to the garage door opener and open up the camera on the garage door opener. It's still in its closed position. Okay, now that I opened the camera on the garage door opener, I'll tap next. Now it's looking at all the networks, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to pick my network and put my credentials in. Now after entering the password for the network, it's going to go ahead and try to connect to that. And it made a few beeps. It's doing some beeping. And I'm just going to hang out here until it's done. Okay, so apparently it's connected. Now I want to change this name. I want to call mine double garage door. Makes more sense to me. Or double door. And I'm going to hit return. Then next. It's saving the name. I'll tap finish. And this is trying to ask you to subscribe to have more features in your garage door and so on. You can browse that, decide if any of that is something interesting to you or not. I'm just going to keep it as basic as it goes. But now I'm going to click back to the MyQ video storage. And it shows that I'm not subscribed on these devices. And I'm going to click the X in the corner. I'm going to click finish. And it's reminding me again for some trial. And I'm going to say maybe later. I'm going to click the X on that. That just goes through and you can see what the different features are if they're interesting to you. Amazon Key. I'm not going to set up Amazon Key. I'm not interested in that. But if you're interested, go ahead and select I'm a Prime member and go through the steps. I'm going to click on the X there. I'm going to decline. Continue. So anyway, I swiped back and it came back to this, and we're going to go back to home here, and you can see the two doors are here and the two cameras, the single door that I had set up previously and now the double door that's down at the bottom there. And the way it works, if you want to open the door, you can just tap on one of these icons. So for example, let me tap on the little garage door for the double door, and it starts opening the garage door. You can probably hear that. So that's how this app works. Hopefully this video helped you. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.